Ready to take your Kvcore game to the next level by seamlessly integrating your custom website and amplifying your online presence. First, ensure your custom website has lead capture forms that can integrate with Kvcore. This is usually done through UPIS or third-party integration tools like Zapier. These forms are crucial for capturing lead information directly from your site. Next, configure your website to send new lead data to Kvcore in real time within your website's backend. Set up the necessary integrations to automatically push form submissions to your Kvcore CRM. Once connected, test the integration thoroughly by submitting test leads through your website and verifying that the information appears correctly within your Kvcore dashboard. This ensures no leads are missed. Now, leverage Kvcore's marketing automation features to nurture leads captured from your custom site. Set up automated email campaigns, SMS messages, and follow-up tasks triggered by new lead entries from your website. Finally, monitor your website's performance and lead generation metrics within Kvcore to optimize your custom site's design and content for better conversions. Analyze data to refine your strategy. That's it. By following these steps, you can effectively integrate your custom website with Kvcore, enhancing your brand identity and streamlining your marketing efforts. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more Kvcore tips and tricks.